Hello everybody, welcome to Newbie's Work on Cars. We are back to my friend's 2014 Ford Focus, and this time we are changing the light, the bulb inside the headlights. In a lot of cars, this would be a straightforward process, but in this car, basically you have the radiator support comes right away behind the light. So in this case, we need to take the light out to be able to access the light module and assembly, so we can take the bulb out. Some cars you have to take the whole bumper assembly out and everything to do it. In this car, this is not the case. We have two bolts, one over here and one over here, or screws, it depends on what you'll call it. This one and that one over here. So basically these are star shapes, or they call them Torx. You need a special sockets to do them. But the one thing that Ford did correctly on this model, they have a slot inside the bolt, so only you need flat screwdriver that fits, and basically we can open them using that. Now we should be able to wiggle and out, and now you see this cover. You can take the whole assembly out from this plug, but in our case, which light? This light is out, so I'll need to take this cover off. And you see over here, you take that plug out, twist, and the bulb is out. That's all I need to do. So give me a second, let me bring the other bulb and we'll put it back in. Alright, so this is the new bulb. It's an H11. Let's compare the two. This have a blue tint into it. It's an aftermarket, and you can see it's dark inside. It's burned out. Now, one note when you're dealing with headlights, make sure you don't touch the glass area, because your oils on your fingers will be transferred into the light and will make it burn faster. So be sure you don't do that. So over here, see, you put it like this, twist, all right. Now for that, you slide in. There you go. All right, moment of truth. Let's try if the lights will work. There we go. Sweet. Alrighty, awesome. All right. And that's how you change. Actually, I forgot one step. You guys make me a hurry. You forgot the cover. Dang it. Anyway, that's how you change the light on a 2014 Ford Focus. If you like the video, please like, share, subscribe. And thank you for watching, and have a wonderful day.